Hello students, today we are going to read 11th lesson from EVS textbook, page number 65. The name of this topic is Force, Work and Energy. Force. In our daily life, we see many things around us like books, desks, chairs and school bags. They do not move on their own. They need a push or a pull to move. A push or a pull applied on an object is called force. Effects of force. Force can move an object at rest. Force can speed up a moving object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the shape of an object. Force can slow down a moving object. Types of force. There are two types of force that act all the time. These are as follows. First is gravitational force and the second one force of friction. Let us study about these. Page number 66. Gravitational force. When we throw a ball upwards, it comes down on its own. Why does it happen? It happens because the earth pulls the objects towards it. The force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called gravitational force or gravity. Even when an object is at rest, force of gravity acts on it. When you cry, gravity pulls the tears from your eyes down to the earth, but you cannot cry in space. In space, tears cannot fall from the eyes due to lack of gravity. Force of friction. When you roll a ball on a floor, it gradually slows down and stops. Why does it stop? It stops due to friction. A force that tries to stop a moving object is called force of friction. It acts between objects that are in contact with each other. In general, smooth surfaces like glass or ice cause less friction, while rough surfaces like a carpet produce more friction. In our daily life, it is not possible to do certain activities in the absence of friction. So, friction is essential for us in the following ways. First, writing on a rough surface is easier than writing on a smooth surface. Second, it is difficult to walk on a very smooth surface as compared to a rough surface. We can slip on a smooth surface as it causes less friction. Page number 67. Simple machines. Simple machines are the devices that make our work faster and easier. Simple machines are of different types like lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, wedge and wheel and axle. Lever. Lever is a simple machine used to cut things, for example scissors. Lift weights, for example seesaw. Open lids, for example bottle opener. Pulley. Pulley is a simple machine used to draw water from the wells. It consists of a rope running over a wheel. The wheel is grooved to prevent the rope from slipping off. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is used to load heavy barrels, sacks, etc. onto trucks. It is basically a slope over which a load can be pushed or pulled easily. The next is screw. A screw is used to hold the things together tightly. It is basically a nail with grooves cut into it. Page number 68. Wedge. A wedge is a simple machine used to cut things. For example, axe and knife. It consists of two inclined planes that join to form a sharp edge at one end. Wheel and axle. A wheel and axle arrangement is made up of a wheel and a rod. Rod passes through the center of a wheel. The wheel rotates around the rod. It helps to move heavy objects. A steering wheel and bicycle pedals are examples of wheel and axle. Work. Move your chair. You can easily move it. Now try to move a wall. The wall does not move. You applied force in both the activities, but work is done only in the first case because on applying force, chair moves, but the wall does not move. Work is said to be done only when a force applied on an object makes the object move in the direction of force. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. We need energy to do anything from lifting, pushing or pulling to breathing, laughing or talking. We need energy to live. Sources of energy. Most of the energy on the earth comes from the sun. Some other sources of energy are wind and water. Page number 69. Sun. The sun is the main source of energy on the earth. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Plants use solar energy to make food in the green leaves. Solar energy is used in solar cookers and solar heaters for cooking and heating. Solar energy can also be changed into other forms of energy like heat energy, electrical energy and light energy. Wind. Energy from the wind is called wind energy. It is used to move the blades of a windmill. This helps to move the shaft of the generator that in turn produces electrical energy. Water. Flowing water also has a lot of energy. It is called water energy or hydro energy. Energy of water falling from dams is used to rotate the turbines of the generator to produce electricity. Electricity produced by the energy of flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Change of energy. Energy can be changed from one form to another. Burning of fuels like wood, coal and petrol converts chemical energy present in them into heat and light energy. When we switch on an electric bulb, it lights up because the electrical energy changes into light energy.